So guys, welcome to another video. It's a very interesting day, so I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm pretty excited about this one. So what we're going to be doing today is gonna blow your mind. So before now, if you wanted to build an iOS app, you had to own a MacBook. No Mac, no iOS app for you. It was that simple. But now, things are changing, and it's all thanks to both an AI powered development with Expo. So in this video, I will be showing you how to use Bots AI to build Android and iOS apps with no Mac needed. No MacBook needed. So let's break this thing down. No tech jargon, no confusion. Let's make it very simple for everyone to be able to understand. And if you're new in this channel, please subscribe and leave a like on this video. That's your way of supporting me and saying, hey, we love what you're doing, keep doing it. And I'll be releasing sweet and interesting content that will help you solve your React Native and Expo problems in the coming weeks. And you don't want to miss out on all that. So please leave a like and share this video to your friends who would love to become mobile developers. So let's get right into this. So what is Bots? Bots is a tool that lets you use AI to help you build mobile apps with Expo, even if you don't have a MacBook. Sounds crazy, right? So basically, you describe what you want and AI helps you generate the code for you. Now, before Bots, if you wanted to build or test iOS app, you needed a MacBook. But now, Bots allow you to build and run iOS apps from anywhere, even on Windows. So how does it work? So first of all, you tell the AI what kind of app you want. So let's say we want a wordy game. I want a wordy game. And then you describe what you want for the AI. You should prompt it well enough for it to understand what you want. And so both require us to sign in, so I'm just going to do that here. So we are signed in and we are prompting our AI, and as you can see, very easy. It's installing the packages, the necessary packages, and it's just going to build the app for us, and we'll see it. And once it finished building the code for us, it will ask us to scan so we can be able to view the app on our mobile device. And we're just going to do that here. So now let's scan the QR code and let's open the app on our iPhone. So I'm going to use my physical device here, as you can see. And I'm going to open Expo and open the app. So this is our app. This is the app that Bots built for us, and then we can play the game. The quick brown fox is the answer. And so you can see how easy Bots helped us build a wordy game, like very, very simple in no time with no stress. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. I think it's an apple. Actions speak louder than words, and it keeps getting, the level keeps getting difficult, and I can check my stats here to see the current score. And if I fail one, time is money, but let me say time is life. I feel that, then I don't get to move forward until I select the right option. So you can see how Bots help us build an Expo app with ease. So this is very easy, guys, and you can use this to build different kind of apps. So let's try more complex stuffs like building a social media app, and let's see how it goes. So now, Bots does not only help us build the code, we can deploy the app to the respective app stores or even to the web we can deploy using EAS. EAS is Expo's service that helps you deploy your apps. So you can deploy it to the App Store or the Play Store or even to the web using that service. And you can also connect Supabase for database to your app. So let's do a more advanced stuff like building a social media app. So let's tell Bolt to help us convert our previous app, which is a wording game, into a social media app. So let's see if it can do that. I don't like the wording game, so change the project into a social media app and make it have a little touch of Facebook newsfeed pattern. So let's see if Bolt is able to help us do what we want it to do. Okay, so as you can see, it's working on the code and it's telling us that it will help you transform the project into a social media app with a Facebook inspired newsfeed design as we asked, and we'll keep the tab based navigation but modify it for social features. So you can see how Bolt helps us. We'll not need to write any code at all, even though I will still advise that for you to be to use this, you should be familiar with the JavaScript ecosystem. You should also know Expo. You should also know Expo. So if there's something you need to edit, you can do that by yourself. But if not, you don't need to write any code at all. So we just watch the AI do what we ask it to do, and it will bring out the result for us. So when it writes the code for us, it tells us how it did it, and also tells us okay, it says clean white background, Facebook blue, subtle, and it also says the app uses Zostand for state management and includes sample data to demonstrate functionality. So let's check it out again. So we're going to minimize this so we can yeah, go back into Expo. Oh, come on, why do I keep doing this? And when we open the app again, you see it has transformed it into our social media app. So now this is our social media app. So, but okay, let's try to scroll. Yeah, we have just 2 or 3 posts. So this is good, though we can't add posts, or so I can tell it. Let's go ahead and tell it add fetch posts, or let's just make it work. I want to have the ability to add posts. Save the posts to state and don't use a database. Also import a few posts with images from any free APIs around. Let's see if it can do that. Alright, it seems Bolt has done it for us, so we will have to do this again. So I'll just prefer we minimize and then go into Expo again. So let's see if we can add a post. Okay, this is the profile screen, this is notification screen, and this is it still maintain our statistics screen, even though we didn't tell you what to do there. So let's see if we can add posts. So I want to add, my name is Omash and I am the best mobile developer in the world. So include a random image and make the post. So there you have my post, and we can keep adding features to this and tell it, hey, you should make the like button work. I think we should do that also quickly. Make the like button work, and when I click it, there should be some animation like Twitter like button. Let's see if it can do this for us. So it's telling me it's going to use the reanimated library to add the animation I requested for, and it's doing that. So while this is loading, let's view some pros and cons of using both. So when you tell the AI what to do, the AI generates Expo, the code for you using Expo, and then bots handle the complication build process, and that's why you don't need a MacBook. And so you get a ready to use mobile app already, just like the way we have ours. And so we have advantages and we have disadvantages of using both. Now you don't need a Mac. That's one very big, massive advantage. Now you also get faster development, as the AI will help you write code quickly, so you don't spend hours debugging and doing all that. Now also both is beginner friendly, so even if you are new to coding, the AI can assist you in building functional apps. You just need to know how to prompt AI, and that's the skill you need. Now it also supports cross-platform, so you can build Android and iOS app from using both. And also it's cloud-based, so you don't need to install heavy software because everything runs online. It's cloud-based. Now what about the disadvantages of using AI like this, like both? Now using AI is expensive. Now using AI tools for development is not cheap. It's a pay to play game. That's what I call it. It's a pay to play game, so it's not cheap. That's the disadvantage. Now it has limited complexity. Now the AI is great for simple apps, right? But anything advanced that has to do with database, that has to do with building complex apps that's with advanced features like custom user interface or backend systems, no, it might not be able to handle that. Maybe for now, but we don't know about the future, but it might not be able to handle that. Now one thing I noticed about AI is that AI is not always accurate. AI can generate buggy code for you, and you still need to fix things manually. So you still need to know how to use Expo, and how to use React Native, and how to use JavaScript to be able to make this work for you. And also this is internet dependent. Since it's cloud based, you must have a strong internet connection to work efficiently. So, and lastly, the last disadvantage I will talk about is limited customization. Now AI generated code might not always fit your exact vision, so you might just need to tweak it yourself, which also boils down to you knowing how to use JavaScript and React Native. So having said all this, both is still an amazing tool, and AI is definitely the future. So if you are serious about mobile app development, especially for iOS, you should still invest in buying a MacBook. Yeah, you should still invest in buying a MacBook. It will help you very much. But if you don't have one for now, you can definitely bank on both. So what do you guys think? Will AI replace developers, or is it just a tool to help us, like you can see here? So let me know in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, so we can always have a notification each time I drop a new and interesting content. But before we go, let's view the updates on our social media apps. So I might have to connect the iPhone again, so let's connect that, and just so yeah. So okay, let's minimize it and open it up again. Yes. And let's see if both was able to do the like button to be with the Twitter animation. Let's see that. So the app loads up, and I'm not seeing the like button yet, but I feel it's going to come. So I'm not seeing it, but I'm seeing the number increasing when I click on this. But yeah, so Anyways, that's it from this video. Please subscribe, leave a like on the video, and share this video with your friends that want to become mobile app developers, so they can become good mobile app developers. And even if they don't have a MacBook yet, they can be able to still do their work. So for me, it's another one, and we'll be releasing more videos. Stay tuned to this channel. Please don't go anywhere, and thank you very much for always watching. I appreciate you so much. Stay blessed.